If you're a fan of comics, then you're in for a treat. Whether you're an aspiring comic artist seeking inspiration or someone who wants to start a comic team Instagram page, AI can be your ultimate companion. Let me guide you through the process using a fantastic website, your go-to website for generating captivating comic-style illustrations. First things first, sign into your Google account or sign up if you're new. You can conveniently use your Google account for a swift registration process. Now, let's head to the dashboard and kick off a new project. For this, all you need to do is to select the art option and wait for a few seconds. This is your project hub. Click on See All. Here, you have many options to showcase your art, but today we will continue with the comic art option. Next, choose the layout you prefer: square, vertical, or horizontal. Then you can choose the pieces for your images. If you want, you can get a couple of images, and then you can choose from these options. Let's try to use this tool. Start with this simple prompt. How about a superhero soaring through the city skyline? Hit the Generate button and witness the magic AI that brings your superhero to life in the first prompt. Let's take a closer look. Alright, this looks good. Now, let's make it dark and have our superhero cruise through the night. Wow! How about gliding through a rainy night? We're good with the weather. What if we change the setting? For instance, if our character goes through a forest, can we issue similar results? Now, let's challenge the AI a bit. Write a prompt like mysterious villain plotting under the neon lights. Click Generate and watch as the AI weaves a captivating scene into the second prompt. Results are fantastic. Now, if I want the Superman to become a villain, can it be done? Can Superman really be a bad guy? Will he turn to the dark side? It's disheartening to imagine him taking on a more sinister essence here. For the final prompt, let's go crazy. Write something like a climactic showdown between hero and villain with dramatic expressions, and Generate. And even Marvel artists at their peak can draw something dynamic and action-packed, but Stock Image AI can. Well, all the results were amazing, but I want to try one last thing. Can Superman be a baseball player? Yes, he can play, but I wouldn't prefer playing against him. If you want, you can use edit tools for simple edits. For example, you can edit text and a circle, so you can make a speech bubble for heroes. Or you can use the upscale tool from the right side of the page and improve the quality by 4 times. Once satisfied, hit download and you will have your professionally crafted comics ready to use. Whether you are telling a story, sharing on social media, or even using them for professional projects, Stock Image AI helps you to create stunning comic art effortlessly. Finally, Stock Image AI is your getaway to a world full of comic art possibilities. From superheroes to villains, from suspenseful plots to epic showdowns, this tool transforms your imagination into visually striking comics. Ready to embark on your comic creation journey? Sign up today and unleash the power of Stock Image AI. You can share your journey on Instagram and join our family. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and drop a like for us. See you on the next one.